Hi, this isn't Matt with Intergalactic Herald. This is AI Matt. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest lore keepers from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the lore keepers was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate, because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. This episode of the Lore Keepers series from Star Atlas TV covered various aspects of the Star Atlas universe, including a community event, a new interactive project, and theoretical concepts for in-game items. The session began with a giveaway sponsored by VB, featuring a Lore Keepers notebook. The giveaway was based on a quiz asking for the sector containing the Living Factory's ruins in the Gala Expense Medium Zone. The correct answer was Harkand MRZ33, and V Phoenix won the prize, with VB generously offering to cover the shipping costs. A major reveal was the showcasing of a prototype for an RPG campaign Discord bot developed by Arthur and Darren. This innovative system is designed to allow the collective Star Atlas community to participate in an RPG adventure by voting on the actions of a party of explorers. The narrative unfolds within the Embercoil ruins in the Harkand sector. A known location of ancient Living Factory's civilization remains. As the party navigates this dungeon-like environment, lore specific to each room or area is provided to help players make informed decisions. The party consists of crew members, each possessing distinct stats, roles, abilities, and personalities, which are affected by the player's decisions. Crew members have skills with cooldowns, and players must strategically select which character is best suited to lead specific tasks to enhance the probability of success. The system leverages artificial intelligence to generate narratives and outcomes in real time, based on player votes, character aptitudes, dice rolls, and the provided context from Star Atlas and Stratus lore. While the system is still in development, features like inventory, though items must be found first, and character skills aptitudes were mentioned, with skills potentially offering buffs or revealing hidden information. The developers plan to refine the system, incorporate more RPG elements, and deepen its connection to Stratus lore. There's consideration for offering minor incentives, such as Star Atlas skins, for active participation. The community might even get to vote on the initial party members for the campaign. Notably, the campaign includes the possibility of the party failing completely, including character death, especially if players make poor choices, such as using fire in a gas-filled area. A significant potential outcome discussed was that the result of a successful first run of this community-driven campaign could actually influence the official Star Atlas world lore. The discussion then shifted to unique materials found in the high-risk zone and their potential use in crafting high-tier ship components. These materials are closely linked to tufas, which are described as metagenic creatures. Metagenic substances are defined as materials capable of self-alteration, adaptation, and transformation at a fundamental level, which explains the power and value attributed to tufas. Standard ship components, typically produced by manufacturers like Gria specialized in warping or Pierce focused on firepower, utilize resources from safer zones. Materials originating from the high-risk zone, particularly metagenic ones, could unlock unique component capabilities. Creating these advanced components would require extremely rare resources like high-tier tufas with concentrated GSAM and highly skilled crafters. Several theoretical concepts for components infused with these properties were explored. Self-healing nanostructures, infused into a ship hull or crew armor, providing passive regeneration that drains the power source but automatically repairs damage. Programmable matter clonerics, an item capable of changing its form and function, for example, a weapon becoming a shield, which would be valuable in future scenarios with constrained inventory space. Biomatic metagenics, materials that adapt to different environments, offering resistance to hazards like extreme temperature or radiation. This concept also tied into how different species might have natural environmental resistances. Phase-shifting materials, allowing a ship to become briefly intangible for evasion purposes, though this would likely be a high-skill, high-power ability. Energy-adaptive metagenics, a shield or component that could absorb specific energy types like lasers to power itself or another system, but would be weak to other damage types. These unique properties would provide specialized abilities and trade-offs, such as increased power consumption rather than just simple stat buffs. Beyond combat, these materials could also offer utility features like expanded cargo space via a pocket dimension or advanced scanning capabilities. It was explicitly stated that these rare, high-tier items will not be sold directly, but must be found or crafted in-game by players venturing into dangerous high-risk zones. The general sentiment among participants seemed to favor having these complex and diverse component mechanics. Finally, the topic for the next Lore Keepers episode was announced, a dedicated session focused entirely on creatures in Star Atlas. This discussion is expected to cover general information about creature types across different zones and sectors, potentially including pets, everyday creatures, monsters, the influence of Iris, and the materials that creatures drop. Community ideas for creatures were also welcomed for potential inclusion in the game.